Hey, what's up, friends? Thanks for stopping by. Okay, so you probably don't know me personally, but my name is Buddy, and I'm from Northwest Washington. I'm a father of five, and you're probably here because you want to discover how you can start earning additional income from the comfort of your home. And I want to show you guys exactly how you're going to be able to do that. But first off, I want to say thanks for stopping by. And I know this internet world can get really confusing and these pages start to blend in and look alike. So I just want to drop in and let you guys know that I'm a real person. And what I'm about to show you is a powerful, powerful system opportunity that these programs have been around for generations. And you're going to be able to make an educated decision how you can start earning an extra income from the comfort of your home. You know, it's crazy. My team is making thousands of dollars every week. Some are even making thousands of dollars a day with this powerful, powerful system. So you don't have to have any special type of sales skills or anything like that with this. If you can do simple tasks like mail out a postcard just like this, or hand out drop cards, or even share a URL link, then you can actually make an extra income with this program. So in order to see if this is a good fit for you, because it's not a fit for everybody, what you're going to want to do is there's down below this video, there's a form. It's going to ask for your name, your email, and your phone number. Fill that form in down there, and it's going to bring you to another page that's going to educate you, and you're going to see if this is a good fit for you, if you want to make extra money with this opportunity. And also, my friends, down below here, there is my telephone number, my name, my email. That's my personal contact number and my personal cell phone number. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a text message. I'm a real person. That's exactly why I did this video, because I want you guys to know that I want you guys to get to know me, because I'm running an opportunity across you guys. I'm not trying to hide behind a screen or anything like that. I'm actually making money with these opportunities. And also, there's social media links down below. My Facebook, my YouTube. Check out my YouTube video. I actually do YouTube videos almost every other day with these make money from home opportunities. So I'm not trying to hide behind a screen or anything, but in order to see if this is a fit for you, you're going to want to fill that form in. And also, you're going to get an email that's going to be sent to you. Be sure to check your spam folder, because we're not on personal friend basis. So check that email. It's just going to give you information on the system I'm about to share with you guys. So at that, guys, the only way you're going to know if you can do this, make money like this from home, is first step, fill that form in, and then see if this is educated. Make an educated decision with this. So at that, I'll see you guys, some of you guys on the inside. And if this isn't a fit for you, then that's no big deal. I wish you the most success in your future endeavors. And for the ones that want to take action, I'm going to see you guys on the inside. All right. Thank you for stopping by. God bless. All right. Peace.